Hey guys, today I'm going to be making some garlic Parmesan wings, similar to the ones at Wingstop. These are definitely carb friendly, keto friendly, so let's get started. Okay guys, I have my pan heating up. Over here, I'm going to do basic salt and pepper seasoning. I bought these wingettes from Costco. So I'm going to add some salt. I use Himalayan pink salt. Salt generously. We do not want plain chicken. Pepper to taste. I like a lot of pepper, but y'all know that already. And mix. And mix. Trivia time. What's the best tools in the kitchen? 3, 2, 1. You got it. Your hands. Now you can add onion powder, garlic powder, whatever. But remember to count the carbs in that stuff. Onions have carbs, and although I love some onion powder, right now I'm not willing to sacrifice the carbs. So salt and pepper, garlic, and what do you call it? And Parmesan cheese. That's what we're going to use. So I'm going to move you guys over and we'll add the oil. Okay, so as I was seasoning the chicken, the pan was getting hot. I'm going to add in my grapeseed oil. I like to fry with grapeseed oil if it's going to be something deep fried. I use avocado oil for everything else. But deep frying, you don't want to waste your avocado oil. Even though it has a super high smoke temp, like, it's not cheap. So I get this humongous grapeseed oil from Costco. And it's going to do exactly what I need it to do. Oh, guys, I also got this pan, this super huge T-foul pan from Costco too. I'm going to add a little more oil. Or a lot, doesn't matter. Okay guys, now that my oil is hot enough, I'm going to start adding in the chicken. Trying not to super crowd the pan. It may be 2 batches, I don't know. And if you notice, I am not frying them with any flour, any pork rinds. It's not needed for this. I think I'll try to fit one more. And I'll bring you guys back when it's time to flip. Yes, guys. Got me a little color on these. Flipping them over. I don't know if I mentioned, but they're on like a medium-high heat. You can do this in an air fryer, a deep fryer. You can roast them like on like 400 degrees. Whatever you want to do to achieve your desired texture and crispiness, you can do. So I've already flipped them over. Let me give them some more time. I'll bring you guys back when both batches are done. Okay guys, I'm back. The chicken is done. I have added some garlic powder. You can use a teaspoon of garlic and add it to your butter, but I didn't feel like doing that. I already added garlic powder right after the chicken came out. And now I'm adding 3 tablespoons of butter. I have 4 tablespoons of butter in my measuring cup, but I didn't need that much. And I'll add about a half a cup of Parmesan. That's a lot of Parmesan. You can just sprinkle as you like. I just know it just shakes off, so, and I want it to be coated. Yours don't have to be coated so well. Mine are. I'm gonna let this absorb some, and then I'll plate it. Okay guys, I'm back. I have some celery stalks on the plate. And this is what I mean when I say I like my chicken coated in the Parmesan. Otherwise, if you just use a few sprinkles, for me, it's not too flavorful. But you really didn't have to use that much. I think a 1/4 cup would have been just fine. So we're gonna say a serving size is 6 pieces. And that's it. There you have it. Add some ranch, whatever ranch you like, and enjoy your meal. Thank you for watching. Bye. And just to show you guys, meal prep, I made, of course, a lot of extra chicken. So it's going to be lunch, dinner for another time. That simple. Now, bye for real.